Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is a state of nothingness and fulfillment. Everybody in this world believes they are something, and believing that you are something is a very normal state of affairs. But attaining the state of nothingness, emptiness, is a very big happening in this world. I am telling you a story. There was a great mystic, Jewish mystic, Belasam. He used to perform many miracles and fulfill the need of his villagers. And his villagers used to worship him. But in the nearby village there was a priest. He used to perform many rituals and activities to appease God, but nothing happened. One day that priest met Belasam and asked him, how you perform all that miracles, but you don't do any rituals and activities to appease God, how you do? Then Belasam replied quickly, I do nothing. I remain in the state of emptiness and nothingness. And in that state of nothingness, I get command from the unknown. And I act and perform accordingly. And everything we get. From this story, we learn in the state of emptiness, you can get anything, you can achieve everything for your life and for the life of your fellow countrymen. If you learn the technology and technique of transcendental consciousness, your life will become very easy, effortless and spontaneous. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, just stay tuned with us and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.